Support for Windows XP will end on April 8, 2014. Windows XP was first released to manufacturing, RTM, in August 2001 and released to consumers on October 25, 2001 by Microsoft Corporation. Windows XP is 12 years old and has had 3 major service packs: Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2, Service Pack 3 and 1 minor service pack, SP1A. Windows XP development began in the late 1990s, 1999. It started with 2 projects, Microsoft Neptune and Microsoft ODSE. These were based on Microsoft's Windows 2000. Neptune was the home version to replace Windows 95, 98 and Millennium Edition, and ODSE was the professional version to replace Windows 2000. In January 2000, it was announced that the teams working on Neptune and ODSE were combined to form Microsoft codename Whistler. They added visual styles, or themes, based on a technology Stardock developed for their Window Blinds product. It also included a new logon screen, an updated version of Media Player, a firewall and much more. On February 9, 2001, after many guesses on what Windows Whistler would be called, Microsoft announced that it would be named Windows XP. XP meaning experience. In August 2001, Build 2545 was created. The build number was changed to 2600 to give Windows XP the version of 5.1.2600. It was sent to OEMs, who make your PCs, like Dell, HP, IBM, Acer, Packard Bell and other OEMs, as well as software developers. On October 25, 2001, Microsoft held an event in New York City that had Madonna and Sting involved. Madonna also provided the music from the early Windows XP adverts, called Ray of Light. Windows XP was released with Internet Explorer 6, Windows Media Player 8 and Windows Messenger, an ad-free version of MSN Messenger. Before the release, the packaging was leaked by Amazon when XP was released to manufacturing. Windows XP included the Luna theme, which replaced Watercolor, Professional, Classic and Sample test themes from the Whistler betas.
Microsoft released multiple versions of Windows XP. Windows XP Home Edition and Windows XP Professional. For 64-bit PCs there was 2 versions, Windows XP Professional x64, which only went up to 2 service packs, was for standard Intel and AMD processors. Another version was Windows XP 64-bit edition, which was for Intel i-ARM processors. They also released Windows XP Media Center Editor 2002, 2004 and 2005 for media centers, and Windows XP Tablet PC Edition, proving Apple did not invent tablets, 2002, 2004 and 2005. These were modified versions of Windows XP Professional with extra features. They also released Windows Server 2003, which was based on Windows XP for servers. Even ATMs, POSes and other types of hardware use Windows XP. They use Windows XP Embedded, which replaced Windows NT 4.0 Embedded. In 2006, Microsoft made a modified version called Windows Fundamentals for legacy PCs so XP could be used on older Windows PCs. Support for these will end in 2016. In 2009, Microsoft released updated versions of Windows XP Embedded called Windows Embedded Standard 2009 and Windows Embedded POS Ready 2009. These contain a different theme, but otherwise it is identical to XP and runs XP programs too. Windows Embedded 2009 and all its editions are supported until 2019.
Windows XP also had Microsoft SAM, the on-screen keyboard and magnifier. It was the last version that had Microsoft Plus. It was also the last version that included 3D pinball. Thanks for listening, and enjoy the pictures and music.